Unfortunately, another video about Americans. This about the Google. They are doing absolutely to drive me insane. Obviously, you're doing this at Google, you're doing this at Blogger, you're making this blog totally fucking impossible. What you are doing with this blog is what I call dementia, lunacy. Let me demonstrate you what it means to search for the work I create on this blog. We're gonna type in here the name AGROMA. This right here is what we're gonna type in here, and I'm gonna click search, and it says right there that there are no posts with anything that would contain this words right here. Let me do it again. Nothing. That's all there is to it. Now I know there is, because I dedicated a lot of work already before to this location here on Graben, not too far away from here. And I know so because during the last post right here, I was detailed enough to make sure that this letter in fact would be right here, the one you see right there. FG is right here. Do you see it? So, you know what? Google, Sergey Mikhailovich Brin, genius, Larry Page. I cannot do it like this. And I doubt anyone else could do it for that matter. This is a blogger. This is your company, Google. Why don't you just stop fucking with this blog? Seriously. Because you're causing my work impossible. You're causing the work for the law enforcement, the thing impossible. You are sabotaging the law enforcement here. You're making things impossible for the law enforcement, for investigation, for police to get this job done. It's not the first time that happened this, what you see right there. In fact, it's happening all the time, with some issues also disappearing from my blog to make them even more difficult to find. I don't think of anybody else that would have access to Blogger than Blogger Google people. And I know for a fact that universally, when it comes to a search description on the blogs, the issue of whatever you enter inside of them for the people to have ability to find subjects should not alter from any blog that is accessible out there on the internet. So this is not appreciated. Right there, you see it? Right there. It makes stuff that I mentioned inside of the video, the thing impossible for me to find, because I have to go God knows how far the fuck away to find that. And I know that at Google, they watch every step I do. They watch everything I print, everything I post. They surveillance this blog. I know they're very well aware of my searching, doing extra work, stuff that I should invest in other issues, making my work impossible next to all other issues that I have. You don't fuck with the stuff like this. You don't do this to people like this. It's not a double work. You're making the things impossible for the readers to search stuff on the blog. You make the thing impossible for me to finish the work. No, there you go. It doesn't exist anywhere. So I guess that I don't know how to do the blogging then and get that case. Is it something special I should know? You guys were fucking around with a blog in the privacy of this home. You entered one, browsing my hard drives, browsing my blog, modifying the blog according to your needs, according to whatever you needed. Law enforcement should understand what's going on here with this. I'm not a programmer. I don't know about these things. It's the easiest, the simple thing I somehow threw together to get this job done. And I don't plan on becoming one to surveillance the stuff you do to me.